Boys and girls, ladies and gents, Big Cam Car Reviews is back, and we are here with my friend, Mr. Whitey, and he is driving the Cadillac for the first time and trying not to crash us in the process, and I am very nervous that he is going to crash.
I ain't gonna crash you, you little bitch.
Hey, I ain't that much of a bitch. Just a little bit. Okay, let her have it a little bit. Feed the horn.
That's a cop right there.
So? Let him know who's in town. Big Cam. Don't put it in neutral. Put it back in drive.
It's only a Stady. It's all right. Yeah, film him. Look at him. Look at the Stady.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Give us some gas, wait.
Let me get by the fucking cop real quick, no?
Yeah, tell me that's not the greatest on the Cadillac ever.
She's clean. She's clean,
dude,
my man.
and
She's
it doesn't have that, you know, tin can rattle. It has that
perfect.
Just feed it. Give it a give it a. I give you permission. Feed the corn right now.
Hold on, give me a minute.
Oh, dude, this reminds me of Fast and Furious. Up and over the hill, jump it.
Yeah, imagine.
Dude, imagine we just skipped her. Oh my god. Dude, imagine when I do engine tune-ups and shit on this thing too.
Dude, that shit would be mint. That shit would be mint.
Dude, absolute mint.
Oh shit.
Oh!
Catch me riding dirty, baby. Hey!
When grandma on a scooter comes hauling around a corner.
I think it's his road. I think it's his road. I don't know. Fuck you. Cam's all nervous and shit over here.
I'm super nervous.
Super nervous.
Not
Being
more so
little.
for the ticket, and more so for curbs and shit.
Oh god. Worst person to actually call that out.
Yo, Jesus Christ.
I don't know where he lives. I think this is one way too. Oopsies.
Nah, the truck's going this way. Whew. I hope y'all enjoying this beautiful day.
Hey,
Nice
I'm
and sunny
enjoying it.
outside. Yeah, you're definitely enjoying it. Now look at you.
Definitely enjoying it,
Look at
baby.
you posted up with that
Woo-hoo.
red Subaru interior.
Hey, Sue Woo, where the fuck does this kid live?
Yo, you are lost in the sauce right now. Oh my god, it's hilarious. That was a nice bike.
Yeah, it's a nice bike.
Oh man. Captain White, Sergeant White actually.
Sergeant!
Yo, Jesus Christ. What a joyride. My bad, bro. Guys in the middle of the road. Jesus.
Tell me to slow the fuck down.
Dude, the guys in the middle of the road yelling at him, slow the fuck down.
Hey, sorry, brother.
Jesus Christ.
Doing it for the YouTube.
Is he still yelling at you?
I don't know. He's got a fucking pole up his ass or something.
Jesus Christ. Dwight, he's gonna get us in trouble.
Look at him. He's standing there like he's fucking got something to say to me.
I can't even see him.
Hey, I'll go smack the fucking silly. Thanks, lady. Decent Infinity. Come on, minivan. Let's go. Dude, I was way off. He lives up here.
You're going through neighborhoods and shit. He's over on this side. God damn it, White. Oh, this is where we are? Nick's roast beef?
That's where we at.
I just got completely lost in the sauce. Oh, man.
Some good shit. Some
Dude.
good shit.
How's your quarantine been, Mr. White?
Quarantine sucks balls.
Yes, it does.
It sucks.
Yes, it does.
Being
As
in
you
the
can
house.
see, we are totally doing what we're supposed to be. We're totally 6 feet apart.
6 feet,
6
baby.
feet.
6 feet.
This car's 6.5 feet wide. That's why we're both able to get in here. And yeah, definitely do not do what I say. Definitely don't do what I do. Do what I say. Keep your social distance. Wash your fucking hands. Wash your face.
Kids retarded. Do what I say, not as I do.
Not as I do, yeah. That's
so,
the saying.
do as I do.
Don't do as do. Do as say. Was it that one? No, it's Charles, this one.
Do as I say, not as I do.
It's new. Quick 5-minute video of Mr. White driving. Friggin'. So, Mr. White, what is your thoughts on the Caddy Coupe?
Caddy Coupe's mint. She's mint.
How's she driving?
The Subaru's nice. She sounds nice. Got some nice acceleration.
Definitely got a little bit of a kick to it.
Only downfall is it's an automatic.
It is an automatic. It has manual mode. I got it to pop last night, actually.
Yeah, it's all right. It's all right.
Okay, I'll show you a video in a second of this thing popping. But it's nice.
Anyways, hey, Bigg Cam videos. Shout out to my homeboy. Let's get it.
Go follow Mr. White on Instagram. What is your Instagram?
I don't know. R.Whitey, something Whitey. I don't know.
It's R.White 76 or something like that. I'll leave his link in the description down below. Please hit that thumbs up, like it, subscribe.
Hey, if you give me that sign back, I'll give you a follow.
Just send him the Whitey fucking shaka, bro.
Hey, anyways, love you all. Shout out to my homeboy. Good shit. Did a lot to his car. Appreciate what he's done.
More to
Appreciate everybody that's helped him out during the way. Kick it. Love you all. Happy quarantine.
Happy quarantine. You guys stay safe. Whitey, you want to do this? Hit the camera right there. Jesus Christ. All right,
Peace out.
We're out of here.